right, hello there. I just wanted to give you a brief overview of hybrid class expectations. There really shouldn't be, when you are remote at home, it really shouldn't be any different than what you were doing um, when we had our e-learning for the last week and a half or whatever it's been. So I'm recording this on Wednesday before our first day back. So just like normal, you'll go to, if you're doing this on Thursday, and Thursday's your remote day, you're going here. I just want to make it clear, right? Whether you're remote or in person, you're doing the same thing, right? So you'll have so whether you're remote or in person, you're going to be learning things electronically. The additional thing that you're going to get when you're in person is I'm going to be there to help you, particularly with questions on your syllabus homework. I'm not promising that this is going to be how I do it every day, but that's how we're doing it, at least for this first cycle. So at least for Thursday, August 20th through Tuesday, August, what would that be, 25th. So anyway, if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message. I look forward to seeing you soon.